Oh, it's a windy day. Here in Rio, look at that surf out there. Do you guys see that wave coming in there? Look at that thing. Wow. Ride it. Woo. Here's the rest of it. Yeah. It's beautiful. There's another one. Oh, it's just not a good time to be in the water. It's kind of, it's overcast here. Oh wow, the wave just came right up on the shore. And big waves coming in. Uh-oh, better move. Flood's coming. It's gonna get me. Pretty close. Yeah. But anyway, lots of heavy surf out there, but it's beautiful. People just walking around.